In the last couple of videos I kept repeating myself and I kept saying this is why we love Bangkok so much. And again, another big festival. This is gonna be here for 11 days. There is so much to do in the city. I just do not have time to visit everything. There will be a lot more updates, but let's continue on this market here. Good evening. It is Sunday the 15th of December. It's around 5:30 in the evening and I'm here at the entrance of Lumphini Park. This part of the park has been closed for over 3 years and they completely renovated the whole area here and it's open again so people can enjoy the statue of King Rama VI. But the main reason that I'm here is because it is the Red Cross Fair, and this is a fair that takes place every year in the Thai capital. And this year the fair is from the 11th of December until the 22nd. To get here you can take the MRT to the Si Lom station and then you get exit number 1. Here at the entrance of the park there are a lot of musicians.
จัดงานกาชาดประจำปี 2567 ขอความร่วมมือให้ท่านโปรดแยกประเภทขยะก่อนทิ้ง เช่น ขยะเศษอาหาร ขยะทั่วไป
So there are literally millions of lights in the city of Bangkok now. Every park has been lit up and this gives a very cool atmosphere. There in the back you see the One Bangkok. Yeah, this is definitely one of the more popular fairs in the city. Yeah, last month they completely redid this. I see they have the sunflowers here. And soon I'm gonna check out the sunflowers at the Lumphini Park. And it is sunflower time now. If you're in Thailand from, let's say, the beginning of December until the end of February, you have sunflower fields everywhere. By the way, if you are in Lumphini Park, you have these free pedal boats. It's called them pedal ducks that you can use. So let's go back to the market. In the last couple of videos I kept repeating myself and I kept saying this is why we love Bangkok so much. And again, another big festival. This is gonna be here for 11 days. There is so much to do in the city. I just do not have time to visit everything. There will be a lot more updates, but let's continue on this market here. And this is like the central part of the park. Every winter you'll have the music in the park. So I'm pretty sure there's gonna be one this year again, and I will definitely be there. See, this is basically all a big promotion for the Red Cross, for the military, for the police. Everybody is represented. This is perfect if you want to get some nice Instagram pictures. From here you have a nice view of the One Bangkok. Yeah, this is just a nice market with a lot of different stands.
เรียนผู้เข้าชมงานทุกท่านค่ะท่านใดที่กำลังช้อปปิ้งอยู่ณงานกาชาดที่แห่งนี้และได้ของรางวัลหลายชิ้นนะคะถ้าท่านใดไม่อยากที่จะขนกลับไป
What is this, a cleaning dog? So after the Red Cross Market, we decided to come and have a drink here in Si Lom, and we are here at the Si Lom Winter Wonderland, and this is basically a beer garden, and this is next to the Park Si Lom office tower. So we are going to enjoy our evening here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Red Cross Fair at the Lumphini Park and a little bit of the Winter Wonderland here in Si Lom. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.